Here's something different for you guys today. You ready? Happy Halloween. It's Saturday morning, about 7:30. We're about to go do some spooky sets at the gym. What's up, guys? It's been a couple hours since I did some spooky sets. I'm now in a little bit of mid-coast Maine. Misty's getting a tattoo, and it's time to get some work done for Monday's video. And I'm just chilling in the car, and nothing like it. Here we go. Hey guys, so it's Sunday morning the next day, and just want to take a minute and say the whole point to this video was, well, first, I know it's kind of like a hodgepodge of like little fast clips and like music and stuff, and it's all for a reason. It's because I'm trying to improve my video editing skills, because I've never really tried to edit videos before until, you know, obviously I started this YouTube channel. And I'm putting a lot of time and effort into this, and I want to make these videos as like entertaining as possible, you know, around the subjects that I'm going to cover, you know, health and fitness and wellness. And I know today's video is kind of like a hodgepodge of randomness throughout the day, but going forward, there's going to be, you know, music that matches up with the storyline and, you know, all of that good stuff. And I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you do enjoy it or you don't enjoy it, whatever, like, comment, subscribe, the whole 9 yards. And until next time, I'll see you later.